Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Birkenstocks. So let's do it. I show you. I just have to think where to put camera. Maybe here. Stock slippers. So I've got Birkenstock Arizona in the color Taupe, and it's narrow fit, regular. It came in a box like this. And it's narrow fit Arizona in color Taupe. They are made from real leather and natural cork, and upper leather suede. So let's open them. Ta-da! It looks like this. These ones I've got on Birkenstock side. No, these ones I got at Victoria's Secret side, but you can get them also at Birkenstock side. And here we have the tag. So the color is taupe and they are really nice. It looks like this. They are made from suede, and this is very flexible and natural, and like don't need to be break in. Here it says Birkenstock, and inside I've got in 41, which is good because in past I was wearing 40, but then I think they made something to sizing, because this is 40 from past, and they are the same almost length. See, almost same, not much difference. Maybe I should take this one. So yeah, see, almost the same length. So they made changes in sizing. That's why I got 41. And they fit the same as 40 in past, because these ones I bought a few years ago. So yeah, that's very nice. And they have buckles like this. This color is like darker, and they're very cute. Size 41 is US, and I mean European size, and US size it will be, I've got them in size 10, I think. So they are really nice Birkenstocks. Looks like this. From the side. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below if you like such videos. See you in the next one. Bye. allergy.